Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a patent application with USPTO, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching your invention thoroughly. Understand what a patent is and the different types available. Determine if your invention is patentable. Conduct a prior art search to see if similar inventions already exist. Once you confirm the uniqueness of your invention, document your findings. Prepare detailed descriptions and drawings of your invention. This documentation will be essential for your application. Decide on the type of patent you want to file for. You can choose a utility patent, a design patent, or a plant patent. Create a USPTO account to access the online filing system. Choose the appropriate application form based on your patent type. Fill out the application form carefully, providing all necessary information. This includes your name, contact information, and a clear title for your invention. Prepare a detailed description of your invention in the application. Highlight its purpose, functionality, and advantages over existing solutions. Include claims that define the scope of your invention. Claims are critical as they establish the legal protection you seek. If applicable, submit any drawings that illustrate your invention's design. Consider a provisional patent application if you need more time before filing. This gives you 12 months to refine your invention and file a complete application. Pay the required filing fees based on the patent type and application size. Review your application for any errors or missing information before submission. Submit your application electronically through the USPTO's EFS web system. Receive a confirmation receipt from USPTO once your application is submitted. Track your application status using the USPTO's Patent Application Information Retrieval System. Respond promptly to any communications or requests from the USPTO. Be prepared to make amendments or clarifications as needed. Once your patent is granted, maintain it by paying periodic maintenance fees. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.